United Kingdom is absolutely bursting with history. It can be seen everywhere, with packed urban high-rises and Gothic cathedrals coexisting harmoniously. Start with the bustling capital city. London is home to the imposing Gothic Westminster Abbey. Conveniently located next to the Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament, it is almost 1,000 years old, and it is a living part of British history. Not only are British monarchs crowned here, but it is full of the graves of some of the most famous people throughout history, like Queen Elizabeth I, Sir Isaac Newton, William Shakespeare, and Charles Darwin. However, the oldest church in the country is St. Martin's Church in Canterbury Cathedral, which is also the seat of the Church of England. The UK is also full of astonishing medieval castles, but the two must-sees are the Tower of London, which houses the glittering crown jewels, and Carnival Castle in Wales, which has impressive military structures. Going back in time, we get the Roman baths at Bath with its gorgeous golden-hued architecture and the nearby Stonehenge. The iconic megalithic structure is still a mystery. Who built it? Why? We still don't know. To the north lies Hadrian's Wall, built to defend the British Roman Empire from northern barbarians. It cuts across the magnificent countryside. Further on are the truly otherworldly Neolithic settlements on the Orkney Islands. Skara Brae and the Nap of Hoar was settled as far back as 3500 BC.
If you like this episode, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.